Onepay Walmart review. Use your Walmart Pay in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about OnePay Walmart. So as of July 2025, OnePay, formerly known as One, is a fintech platform offering digital financial services including a checking account, debit card, and digital wallet. It provides features such as high yield savings, cashback rewards, and early direct deposit, aiming to complete with traditional banks and neobanks. And Walmart Pay, on the other hand, is a Walmart's proprietary mobile payment system, allowing customers to make purchases in store and online using their smartphones. It integrates with the Walmart app and supports various payment methods, including credit and debit cards and gift cards. While both services facilitate transactions within Walmart, they operate independently. OnePay offers a broader range of financial services beyond just payments, whereas Walmart Pay is financial services beyond just payments, whereas Walmart Pay is specifically designed for facilitating purchases with Walmart's ecosystem. And if you are looking for a comprehensive financial service that includes banking features, OnePay might be switchable. However, if your primary need is a convenient way to pay with Walmart, Walmart Pay remains the dedicated solution. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.